Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Roblox asking you to verify your age but the verification keeps failing, saying it can't confirm your ID or just never completing? This is blocking your voice chat and other features. Here's the fix. First, make sure that you're doing the age verification on Roblox website. Go to roblox.com on Safari or in Google. Log in and go to settings. After you log in, go to your settings and then go to account information. Look for age verification section and tap verify now. When it asks for your ID, make sure the date of birth on your ID exactly matches the date of birth when you created your Roblox account. Even one digit difference will cause it to fail. Take your ID's photo in a well-lit area with no glare. Blurry or dark photos are the number one reason for verification fails. If the facial scan option is available, use that instead of the ID upload. It is faster and more accurate. After submitting, wait up to 30 minutes for your verification to process. Once approved, fully close the Roblox app and reopen it. Voice chat and age restricted features will then unlock, and that's it. All you've got to do is go to age verification on roblox.com, not the app. Date of birth on ID must match your account exactly. Good lighting for photos and then wait for 30 minutes after submitting. Voice chat will unlock, and that's it. Subscribe.